Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block quick add in Snapchat. Before I start with the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So first you want to open up your Snapchat app, and from there you just want to click on the top left to get your avatar, and then click on top right on the gear selector thingy. From there you want to scroll down until you see privacy controls, and you will see me in quick add. Basically you just want to turn this off, and what that means that quick ads help friends find each other on Snapchat. You might appear in another Snapchat quick ad if you share a mutual friends or another connection. Then you want to go back to additional services, and you want to click on contacts, and you want to make sure that this is turned off, share contacts with Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, I have a link in the description where you can get 1 month for only $1.